If you've been thinking garden season is winding down, don't let the heat fool you. July is actually when smart gardeners start thinking differently. Today we're heading into the Dollar Tree to see what's actually worth buying this month and what can stay right on the shelf. Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If you're new here, hi, I'm Nikki, the OCDS chick. One thing I love about Dollar Tree is that the inventory changes all season. July isn't about buying everything. It's about finding the things that help us through the hottest part of the gardening season. Alright, ELOC Nation. Every time I pick up something, I want you to decide before I do. Is it a buy it, maybe, or leave it? Drop your score in the comments when we're done. Tomatoes are getting heavy, cucumbers are climbing, beans are taking off. This is the time you'll wish you had extra plant ties. I always like to keep a few on hand. I use spray bottles all over my garden. Whether I'm mixing up a homemade spray or watering tiny seedlings, these always come in handy. If your garden is producing, don't forget about harvest supplies. Sometimes the best garden purchase isn't for the garden, it's for carrying all of those tomatoes back inside. Now these make the garden feel cozy. If you've watched my backyard transformation, you already know I'm becoming a little obsessed with garden lighting. Would you put this in your garden? Now we're getting into the fun stuff. You don't need a huge budget to make your garden feel welcoming. Look for signs, wind chimes, bird decorations, pot covers. These planters are really nice. Don't forget to add drainage holes at the bottom. Container gardening is an easy way to get started. Remember, pretty isn't enough. Make sure your pot actually works for your plants. Gloves, you can never have too many. These are perfect to keep as backups. I don't expect them to last forever, but for quick jobs around the garden, they definitely earn their spot. This one isn't bad, I just think your dollar could work a little harder somewhere else. If your goal is supporting pollinators, these won't help the bees. I'd rather spend my dollar on real flower seeds or plant support. For me, the winners today were That's What I Found at the Dollar Tree this month. Now I want to hear from you. What's one thing you always buy from Dollar Tree for your garden? Let everyone know down in the comments because someone might discover their new favorite bargain. If you enjoy shopping with me, don't forget to subscribe because we've got more gardening adventures coming all summer long. Until next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.